Thanks to blockchain technology, we have seen various utilities turn into a decentralized platform. We see decentralized apps coming into existence, games using NFTs, and the appearance of decentralized currencies appear in the past couple of years. Having these utilities around, there is a need for a platform where everything needs to be exchanged. These platforms are what we call decentralized wallets. One of which is MetaMask. And according to rumors, the MetaMask platform is planning on having an airdrop. But before that, if you haven't already subscribed to the Crypto Lynx channel, please click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. MetaMask is an app that is powered by the Ethereum blockchain. Founded and created in 2016 by Consensus, MetaMask is just one of the many decentralized wallets available out there for you to buy, sell, and trade your crypto assets. Prior to 2019, MetaMask was just an extension to both the Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox browsers. But because of the popularity of MetaMask to crypto users, they have developed a mobile app and is now available to both iOS and Android. MetaMask makes it possible for us to interact with different blockchain networks so much easier. It saves you a ton of time and hassle as compared to doing it manually yourself. Gives us options to buy, sell, and swap tokens to different networks via PancakeSwap or Uniswap. On November 9, 2021, Joseph Lubin, one of the co-founders of MetaMask, replied to a tweet that hints that there will be a possibility in the future for having a MetaMask token. His tweet read, "Consensus is vigorously controlled by its employees, which includes me, and we are driving towards the decentralization of several of our projects." How accurate is this rumor that is going about? I think a highly eligible one. You see, MetaMask still doesn't have a token yet. But as being one of the famous decentralized wallets out there, there is a high chance that they will release one in the future. They will want to keep their community on the positive, and to have a token for the community will do just that. No one knows exactly what these tokens will be for though. Who knows? It may be an exciting project that might take hold this year. But there is a caveat to it. According to this website, airdrops.io, not everyone will be eligible to the airdrop when it does happen. They indicated several steps in order to be qualified for it. Number 1, download the MetaMask wallet. Number 2, create your wallet. For a guide, see this page. Number 3, make sure to take a backup of your seed phrase. Number 4, make a swap on the platform. Number 5, make sure to do a swap on all possible chains. Number 6, there is a rumor that users who've made a swap on the platform will get an airdrop if they introduce their own token. Number 7, Joseph Lubin, the co-founder of Ethereum and the founder of Consensus, has made a hint about a MetaMask token in this tweet. Number 8, please note that there's no guarantee that they will do an airdrop that they will launch their own token. It's only speculation. This is exciting news to the MetaMask community, as they will have something to look out for this year. But please remember to not get too excited and to still do your research and do whatever you can to make sure that you will be investing in will not be a scam. According to the author of this article from Yahoo Finance, the scammers lured the investors into buying the false token and prevented them from selling it via the smart contract. Immediately after reaching $1 million, the scammers withdrew the fund to Tornado Cash. This is just an example as to why you should do your own research before investing into a project. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep investing wisely.